Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you're a returning subscriber, you should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Already apologizing for the low energy in this video. I'm just really not feeling myself. Today's apartment tour is the Muse apartments, and I actually really like these apartments. They're like close to DU if you're going to Denver University. See on maps right now. Let's go take a look. So, like always, the red pin is exactly where these apartments are located. Like I said before, they're right next to the University of Denver, and there are a lot of parks nearby as well if you want to like go work out or just go for a walk or whatever it is. You can definitely do that. You aren't too far from the downtown area, probably like 15 minutes, but I can't show you guys because you'll see where I live and I don't want to show you guys where I live. You have oak floors right when you walk in, but your kitchen is really pretty. It feels really big. Bless you. My dog just sneezed. It feels really big. I at first thought it was dual tone, but it's not. It has black cabinets with white countertops. It's contrasting, but I really like the way that it looks. It looks very clean. You do have black appliances in this unit, which isn't bad because everything just kind of blends in. It looks like one color. And I wouldn't say that the cabinets are actually black. I feel like they're like a very, very, very dark brown. You also have a white backsplash with like tiny tiles, just your basic backsplash that you see literally everywhere. In the living room, you have a good amount of size, or a good amount of space rather. You can definitely fit your entire setup in here, and I also like that the window is pretty big. It's not as big as I would like for it to be, but it's fine. And you also have the light coming in from your balcony door, so it's kind of like a whole extra window, and you do get a good amount of light coming in. In the first room, you can fit a king-size bed. It kind of looks like it would be a little bit tight, but you could definitely fit a king-size bed. And then you have a decent window, can't complain, but the closet, I really like the closet in this room. I feel like you could probably fit so much in this closet. You could fit your dresser in this closet, that's for sure. And then I also like that it has the like built-in shelves. That is a really nice feature, and like 2 levels of hanging as well. In the bathroom, you have the same exact cabinets and countertops as the kitchen. You have that dark brown color with the white cabinets, and then you have a really big mirror. I love mirrors. And then you also have a stand-in shower in this bedroom, and it looks like somebody had like one of those metal stands or something and it like rusted onto the floor. I personally would not like that. I don't know. I just get grossed out super easily by like things I probably shouldn't be grossed out by. But I mean, if you're paying a lot of money to live somewhere, I feel like it is okay to expect the highest standards. You know? So next you have the balcony, which I don't know why I didn't show this earlier, but you have your balcony, which is pretty big. One thing that I actually really do not like about this balcony, and that's just because I'm a scaredy cat, when you walk out onto it, it's like separated. There's a gap. Like if you drop your pet's toy, or if your kid drops their toy, then it's falling. Like, you know, they're not going to be able to get it. Another thing that I don't really like about the balcony is that it's facing everybody else. I like having my own privacy. The second bedroom is just as big as the first one, so you can definitely fit a king-size bed in here and more if you want to or if you need to. This closet is smaller, but I think that I like it better because of the built-in shelves, like the extra shelves right there. I feel like that would be perfect for shoes or handbags, and then the rest of the closet for everything else. I feel like that would be perfect. I wish my closet had that. And then the second bathroom has the exact same finishes, but a bathtub this time. So if you're living here by yourself, you get the best of both worlds. You can shower, but also take a bath with bath bombs and live your best life. have some fees for you guys. You guys, I really honestly do not feel like reading them today. So I'm just going to go ahead and show them to you guys. And this is the girl that gave me the tour as well. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and reach out to her. But yeah, like I said, I just really am not feeling it today. So I'm going to show you guys the fees. And one thing that I did want to note is that 2.5 times the monthly rent is required, which is lower than most places. So if you're just getting out of college or something, or you're just starting a job and you're not making that much money, that probably is a really good option. Like where I live, they didn't check my income when I moved in. I was just like, yeah, I make this much. And then they were like, okay. And then if you want to see the floor plan of the apartment that we toured, this is it. You can see the price down there at the bottom as well, and then the square footage as well. So I am sorry that I'm just like so low energy today. But yeah, I really hope that you guys still like the video, even though I was kind of a monotone, boring, basic. If I upload a video on Saturday, I promise that I'll be more hype. If not on Saturday, I will see you on Tuesday and I will be chipper. I'll see you on Saturday or Tuesday. We'll see. Bye.
I try so hard to fade away. So hard to fade away, but something's forcing me to stay. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee, oh, but there's something holding on.